Now, the High Court has upheld the Salaries and Remuneration Commission directive on medical intern stipends, rejecting the petitions to overturn it. This ruling underscores fiscal limitations but urges future negotiations between the Ministry of Health and health unions. It comes months after the medical interns halted a 56-day strike that began on March 13th and concluded on May the 8th to give room for the courts to do its job. Odida reports.
It is yet another blow to the medical interns as the High Court today upheld the SRC's decision on stipend rates for medical interns, dismissing petitions that sought to overturn the directive. The petitioners had argued that the SRC's move to set standard stipend rates discriminated against medical interns and violated constitutional mandates for equitable treatment. The consolidated petitions filed following SRC's March 2024 directive claimed the Commission failed to consult stakeholders, ignored prior stipend levels, and established inequalities between medical and non-medical interns. SRC defended its position, stating that interns are in training, not permanent employment, justifying a stipend structure aligned with available funds. SRC cited the Ministry of Health's financial constraints, including a projected 9.6 billion Kenyan shillings budget shortfall. This ruling follows months of tension within the healthcare sector, marked by a 56-day strike earlier this year that paralyzed hospitals and left patients without crucial services. The strike was called by medical interns who demanded better pay, safer working conditions, and adjustments in stipend levels to match rising cost of living. Their absence severely impacted healthcare delivery as hospitals struggled to maintain services amidst the shortage of personnel. While the court has upheld SRC's directive, it acknowledged the Ministry of Health's responsibility to consult with health unions to create a sustainable and equitable compensation model. The ruling directs stakeholders, including SRC and the ministry, to engage in further negotiations, particularly regarding inconsistencies between SRC's directive and previous agreements with healthcare unions. The court has also urged that collective bargaining discussions within the healthcare sector be revisited in the coming months to ensure clarity and consensus on intern remuneration. Meanwhile, the current stipend rates remain in place, although ongoing talks could lead to adjustment if budgetary conditions permit. Odida, TV 47.